Present my ComSci Eden project right now, which is Campus Explorer. Let's start the front end right now. That we can do by going into the directory and running npm run dev. Yeah, so that basically starts the server, front end server. We don't have any rooms right now because the backend server is not running. So to start that, we go back to the code and we run yarn start. So it uses this data, it puts it onto the API, and we should be getting, so here's the dataset loaded. Any data you put here will be loaded in here, so you can change that. Next step, let me walk you through the features available in here. Let's start with this. So you can rotate the map like this and using this as well. If you want to change the angle of it, then you can press Control and do this, or press two fingers. So that's the map. Next thing you do is, let's say you want to visit some address, right? Let's say this address. You can either just scroll down and get that, or you can search it up. So once you search it, the map focuses on that particular address. If you are gonna filter by room, then it's in here. So let's say you wanna go to Biol 220 next. So it takes you here. That's the Biol 220, and you added 2 in here. Let's just calculate the route for now. So it calculates the route for going from for FORW, I don't know which exactly is that, forestry maybe, to Biol. If we animate the route, then it has a cool animation and takes you with a point of view direction to the address. Next, if you copy the directions, here are the directions, you can copy them, and as you can see, the directions are copied in my clipboard. So that is pretty much it. Now let's see, you wanna add one more stop in it. I wanna go to chemistry building now. Sure. So chem B250. Okay, now good. It was here. Now second, and the next stop is chemistry building. So when I calculate the address and animate it, it gives me the time as well, by the way, and the distance, total distance that you will be covering. So from here to here it's blue, and then from here to here it's red. So that's how you can differentiate the routes using that. Next up, we have navigation modes. So if you're walking, select that. If you're cycling, why not select cycling? And let's say you're going to ALRD building. Also, if you add same, you can add same buildings as well. it it will just take you to the same place, so that won't have any animations or distance because it's 0. But yes, if you add one more, so that's 5 in total, and that's the maximum which we have set. So if you try to add more, it gives you an error, which I'm sorry, yeah, it gives you an error, right? Maximum of 5 can be selected. Cool. Next up, yeah, 5 locations. Cycling, sure. Or I'm feeling rich today, so I'm just gonna drive. So yeah, this is the driving route, see. And yeah, let's just sit back and watch the animation of the route, which is pretty cool. For driving, it goes a bit above so that the driver can see. You can make this slower, by the way. That is pretty much it. Let's mhm. And yeah, after animating, it goes back to the original view. There's traffic as well. This shows you the amount of traffic that the route currently has. So yeah. And yeah, I think the animation is over. Yes, and it shows that route shown with three different colored segments between locations. See, so this is the app, Campus Explorer, Campus Navigation. Yeah, if you scroll all the way up, you can see the stars, and yeah, it's pretty fun. If you can zoom into it as much as you want. And yes, this is it. Hope you guys liked it. Thank you. Let me show you the 1 second, the network request which is being sent when you are calculating the route. So you click on inspect element, console, maybe network. Let's go. Okay, let me just put it on the side, I guess, and this is okay. So when I press calculate, the request is being sent with status 200. I'm getting the response as well. Click animate, that's just in the front end, so no request is. Let me show you this. So now I turn off the server and let me just, yeah, get that. Retry. Okay. Right now we are getting that is for the map. That's different. This is the rooms dataset which is on the API, and we haven't started the server, so there is no dataset being put on the API. So let's start the server, which automatically puts the data onto the API, and after that you can just give me a second. So let me just retry. Yeah, so now we are getting the request from the rooms. So with an error code 200. See, localhost 4321 rooms. And yes, so we are properly fetching from the API, local API that we are hosting, which is 4321 with the address 4321. And we're also accessing the Mapbox API to display the map and calculate the distance and also animate the route. Thank you so much.